Okay, here's another example of rewrite exponential expressions. So we're supposed to find what expression f of x would be, f of x just being over 3 here, would make the following expressions equivalent. And so really all we just need to think of is how can we manipulate this left side so that it's written as 3 with some exponent. Okay, what would the exponent have to be? And I've made up like a little solution here. Here's the original problem, a little bit bigger, so hopefully you can see it. And we're just trying to figure out what this question mark is. The first thing I think when I see this is, oh, wouldn't it be nice if I could just use the addition rule? You know, I've got multiplication between two things that have exponents. You know, a lot of times I can just add these exponents together. But the trick with using this addition rule of exponents is that the bases have to be the same. So I'm noticing my 9 and my 3 aren't the same base. But we're not out of luck. We just need to rewrite that 9 as something with a base of 3, okay, which is pretty easy, right? 9 can be written as 3 squared, okay? So all I have to do now is just replace 9 with 3 squared in our original expression. So that's what I've done here. Instead of having a 9 to the x power, I have a 3 squared to the x power, okay? And that's getting me closer to being able to use this addition rule. The step in between though is remembering that multiplication rule. When I have an exponent raised to another exponent, I can then multiply the exponents together. So let me take us back up here. 3 squared to the x power is really just 3 to the 2 times x, or 3 to the 2x power. Okay. Now I'm exactly where I want to be. I've got, you know, two things with bases of 3. I can go ahead and use that addition rule for them. Okay, the one that I always wanted to use in that first place. And I can just add these two together now. So this becomes 3 to the 2x plus x plus 2, just adding together the exponents of the first and the second thing. Combining like terms in the exponent, 2x plus x just becomes 3x plus 2, right? And so now that's what my question mark has to be, right? 3 to the 3x plus 2 has to be equal to 3 to the 3x plus 2. So let's just key it in, make sure we are right. Okay. So I hope that helped on this one. This one was a little bit more complex than my first example because it used a couple of exponent rules.